guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm playing in a public room. No. Yay. No. Yay. At least I'm fast. Okay. What's this? Full hero team game. Ah. Full hero team game. Okay. Hello, Connie, the Benui. I mean the ghosty. Because you're a ghost. I was a ghost, I was alone. Huh? Origin. Huh? Ah! Yum, yum, yum. Serious? I do not like I do not like worried or something because there are two healers and if they add me I'll be number 3 because I have 100 tapes for a cupcake. That's so expensive. What? Why, bruh? Oh, you mean the box of chocolates earlier that Dandy sold? Ah! Lalu ya. Ah, lalu ya. Sorry ya. No, you may not. Finn, say it. Say it, Finn. Yay. Whee. Why get to L? Yay. Pebble Distractor. Our team is very, very, very nice, don't you think? Okay. Get to elevator, right? Right? Yeah, get to elevator. Please nobody on one heart because I don't have enough dates. Ginger, can you heal them? Can you heal them when they are at one heart? Because Papa! You're there now. No, not the medical attention. Not that medical. Yeah. Wow. Whole team survived. Wow. I'm so proud of my team. For food. Hallelujah. Where? Oh, I thought. Give me that. I thought it was tape. I thought it was tape. I thought it was tape. Ah! Ginger! Bop, 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 bop. Oh, Thank you very much. Why did you take that? Why did you take the Bob? I mean Bob. Why do you take that? Why did you take that when you're on full health and you're so speedy? Like so speed? You don't need the BOP. Am I right? Am I right? I actually don't know what am I saying. Ginger? Oh, Ginger's here. I don't see you. Finn, stop. Finn. Yay, I can heal anyone I can now. Yay, I can heal anyone I can. On floor 4, I never experienced that. I will heal. And in floor 4 was my first time. So early. Pebbles is great at distracting too. Pop. No, this is mine. Okay, thank you for not taking the tapes. I need this too. Ah! Oh my god, Ginger! Should I say it? Or maybe no. No? I'm sorry, Ginger. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Ginger. I'm sorry. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! No! Help me. I literally just followed Toodles and I. Finn. Ain't you supposed to dodge it? They know a dodge. They know dodge it. They know dodge. Oh, Cosmo, why do you heal? Why did you heal? Why did you heal? Why did you heal? Why? Nobody was on 1 heart. Yo. Yo, Rebecca. Hi. He's gonna take her to hell. Yeah, to hell. Because she is a Halloween too. What? You know what? I'm going this way. Gonna go. Oh my god, no. No. What's that? I'ma heal you, don't worry. Yes! Yeah. So sorry. Please, not error. Please, not error. Please, God, please, not error. This is the best tip.